Yeah. Hey guys, how are you? My name is Arpit, and I've been working on a project called LexCrypt. So basically, what I was doing, I was trying to implement the benefits of Phoenix over the judiciary. Like it has the multiple components. First one is that it's an intersection of Web3 and AI. So using the Web3 component for the privacy and the AI part for the recommendation and suggestion. So that's the whole idea. Here what you can do if you are a normal person, you can go and consult the AI, and if you are, let's say, you are the judge or the lawyer, then this can help you as an assistant. You can go, you can put all the archive and everything, and it will recommend you. Another thing is, it is a marketplace for the lawyers where they can come register and they can get the case details. The best thing is, since we are going to use the Phoenix, in that case, all the private data and sensitive data is going to be encrypted. And the last component is that, not the last, there are two more components. The next component is, we are seeing it as in practice arena for the law students, no, where they can come instead of arguing with each other, where possible they might, one of them might lack some of the competence, or they can argue with the AI. In that way, it is going to be a bit hard for them, and they can argue and counter argue with each other. And at last, I just really want it to be utilized by the government, so that the Supreme Court can take it as an assistant. So that was the whole idea. So here's the pitch, here's the problem statement. What's the gap currently we have in the whole, and what's the LexCrypt, the first PHE powered legal intelligence platform case studies. Like all the details remains encrypted while doing you are doing all the compute, encrypt, submit, compute, decrypt. That's the whole workflow. Then here it is judge AI assistant, lawyer practice arena, win probability engine, evidence vault, and all those things. Here's the tech stack, here's the terms from Sam, what's the market opportunity. Here, how we are better than Harvey, case text, legal case, and all those engines. Then FHE engine, like how the old components are going to work on here. Next up, we have how it is going to be performing in here. And at last, we have the 50 million cases. Okay, so now here we are at the platform. You can check there are multiple login, citizens, student, lawyers, Supreme Court. First of all, you have to just come here. You have to select the wallet. You need to log in. Once you're logged in, you can check the features, how it works. All those things are there. Here is my. These are the test tokens, so you can check these. Uh, uh, Next up, we are at here, the citizen login. Next, what we can do, let's give it a pretty simple use case. Let's say, here we have, uh, let's say, a dispute between two brothers over the land record. We are going to give it a prompt that is going to. Okay, so I have set up the limit, weekly limit. What I can do, I can just disconnect it here. So we can set this again, one of the feature. If I again go to the MetaMask, and if I try to just change the wallet in here, uh, next step, like I was hoping it to take it as in, startup kind type, So again, a dispute between two brothers over the land record. Let's hit it. It is going to analyze it. It is going to give me the brief about it. And if I go to the next platform just for the quick demo, you can go to the student login. You can start a simulation, constitution law, freedom of speech. You can enter it. You can start doing the argument and counter argument. You can check it out. I'm not going to waste the time and increase the demo length here. You have the whole dashboard. Here the meeting scheduled. Here you can get the active cases where the person need to join the call. Here's the AI copilot, or we can say assistant. Here you can, let's just uh, notice for YouTube video violation. It is going to draft. Like if we even take the only drafting side, only drafting is a huge industry for that sake, So here we got the argument if two brothers are disputing over land record in India. Like I've specializedly trained, I'm trying to fine tune it for the Indian case only. The first step is to check the little document lab, revenue records, and all those things. Da da da. These are the things. If I want, I can sell it. If I want, I can save it. As soon as I save it, all the data in it, all the important data, it is going to be encrypted over the with the help of Phoenix. And if I go with the queue information here, I'm going to get all these things. Next step, we have other uh, two important features. First one is the visual vault. Here you can just submit the evidence and your identity isn't going to be revealed. Next up, here is the sealed bid. uh, if I come here, it has drafted the legal notice. You can come and see all the clause, all the laws, all the signing sections, and everything is here. And next up, if we go back in here, let's say the last segment is the Supreme Court segment. Like currently, I'm working over it, just trying to analyze it, all those things. Mostly here we have the dummy data, but that's the complete vision to provide end-to-end legal support to the country. Yeah. Hope you guys like it. All the utilization of Phoenix and everything is mentioned in the README, and you can just go and check the transaction. We'll try that all the transaction data will be displayed here. Thanks. Hope you guys will like it. Huh?